kindly tell a little bit about what do you mean by unleash your hidden potential to the audience who are new to this field.
Sure. So it's unleashing your hidden potential is very important, I feel. What it means is that sometimes in our life we are, we have this all this negative chatter in our mind, we have these self-limiting beliefs which are stopping us from achieving success in life. Okay, so it's like whenever when you're born, your parents, your family, your environment, all that affects your conditioning, your subconscious mind. And you may have been told in your childhood that you're not good at this, don't dream so big, ये possible नहीं है.
Yeah.
So all of these things which people are which
Yeah.
yes. So as I was mentioning earlier regarding a lot of self-limiting beliefs which we have been told during our childhood. So unleashing your hidden potential is all about breaking the barriers, breaking these self-limiting thoughts which stop you from becoming successful in life. So it is these small things that we have to do to get out of our comfort zone, get into a challenging zone. And that's not easy because at times these conditionings are so strong, which have been put by our parents, friends, well wishers basically. But it has harmed us more than done good for us. So the
Okay.
idea is to get out of this comfort, to challenge ourselves, and to break these barriers. That is what Unleash Your Hidden Potential is all about.
Okay, so let's continue our series, and the second question related to this only, as they are saying that small changes can make a big improvements or big difference to anything.
Hmm.
So can how can we relate this quote to this particular and how to unleash your hidden potential? How small changes can make a big difference in our performance, in our success also? Can you elaborate something on that?
Sure. So it's all about small changes, really. Life is about those small moments.
Yeah.
Anything big you want to achieve in your life, it has to start with a small step. So when I say small steps, I mean small habits, small
Yeah.
beliefs, small actions, small steps. So it's about consistently doing small things which will help us to achieve bigger results in life. And consistency is the key over here, Saurabh. So छोटी
Yeah.
छोटी चीजें जो हम करते हैं हमारे हैबिट्स दे आर सो क्रिटिकल टू सक्सेस. जो हमारे
Yeah.
हैबिट्स हमें आगे नहीं बढ़ा रहे हैं, दे आर पुशिंग अस बैक इन लाइफ. So this is what we have to do. Small actions which will help us to achieve success. So whatever you decide, a big goal in your life. For example, if you want to buy a house, a big car, or you want to be really successful entrepreneur, you want to have your startup and stuff like that. जो भी आपका goal है, dream है life में, start taking small actions, small steps, which will propel you forward towards the direction of your life, towards the goals that you want to achieve. So it's about making small habits, small, making sure that your belief system is in the right direction. So ये छोटी छोटी चीजें steps लेना, writing it down, journaling all these things down, these are small things which will help you to achieve bigger improvements in life.
Okay, and as we are also helping people in the corporates and public speaking, so there is a saying that बहुत सारे लोग हमसे पूछते हैं कि ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए कि हम बहुत अच्छे पब्लिक स्पीकर बन जाए इन शॉर्ट टाइम. तो हमको बताते हैं कि यू कैन स्टार्ट विद अ स्मॉल, एक छोटा सा ग्रुप बनाइए जिसमें आपके फ्रेंड्स हो, उनके सामने आप बोलना स्टार्ट करिए, देन उस चीज़ को आप कंटिन्यूशन में करेंगे आफ्टर 2 to 3 months, एंड यू विल बी हैविंग अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द ऑडियंस ऑल्सो. तो छोटे स्टेप्स करने हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बड़ा नहीं करना है टू इम्प्रूवमेंट, बट लेकिन कंसिस्टेंसी इज द कि आपको डेली बेसिस पे वो चीज़ एक्टिविटीज़ कंटिन्यू करना है. छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स
Yes.
लेंगे तो लॉन्ग टर्म में वो चीज़ एक्सपोनेंशियली ग्रोथ लेती है. जैसा आप जानते हैं कि एक्सपोनेंशियल कर्व्स होते हैं, वो
Hmm.
छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से ही बनते हैं और एकदम से हाइक आता है, वो लोगों को दिखने लगता है कि आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. लेकिन जर्नी जैसा आपने बताया कि यू हैव बीन वर्किंग इन 12 years, तो हो सकता है कि स्टार्टिंग में लोग ने आपका काम पसंद नहीं किया, लेकिन बाय द टाइम आपने काफ़ी कॉर्पोरेट्स में काम किया और कुछ सालों बाद आपको रिकग्निशन मिलने लगा हुआ कि यू आर डूइंग समथिंग गुड इन द इंडस्ट्री. तो धीरे धीरे चीज़ें बनती हैं करने से.
Hmm.
तो लाइक दैट ओनली. या.
And I would just like to add one thing over here. जैसा आपने बोला पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के लिए लोगों को बहुत डर लगता है. तो my suggestion for a small step over there is record every day a 1 minute video of yourself. कैसा भी
या.
खराब हो, जैसा हो, टूटा फूटा हो, it doesn't matter. Consistently करिए 1 minute video every day and see how you will be able to change. You can see the changes in yourself. तो वो I think बहुत important